Hi. My name is Samuel. In this video, I'll introduce you to the Muni RIF management system. The ultimate solution to managing research and innovation funding in Muni University. Once you access the system via its URL, you will land on this login page. You can use the email address and password used to create your account to sign in. On the other hand, if you have not yet created an account, simply click on the Sign Up button to create your account. On the Sign Up form, enter all the required details including your email address and password which you will use to access your account. When done, click Sign Up to finish creating your account. When your account has been created, you will be redirected back to the login form. Enter the email address and password used to create your account in order to log in. At the top right-hand corner, you will see your email address. This means you are now logged in. When you click it, you are redirected to the profile page. In the profile page, you can edit your account information, and also change your password. At the top of the page is a navigation breadcrumb that shows you your current location in the system, which is in this case, my profile. You can navigate back to the home page by clicking the home link. At the left-hand side, you'll see the sidebar which contains the sidebar menu for the currently logged-in user. This sidebar can be collapsed using this collapse button. On smaller devices like smartphones, the sidebar will appear collapsed by default, which of course you can always access by tapping on that button. There is another menu component located on the home page, which is an alternative to the one on the sidebar. Also on the home page, you can find some useful documents provided. We have the Proposal Guidelines document and the Call for Applications document. Let's now look at the first menu item, My Proposals. As an applicant, you will be able to view your proposals on the My Proposals page. If it's a new account, like this one we just created, you will have no proposals listed. To start a proposal, click on the New Proposal button, then type the title of your proposal on the pop-up modal. Click the Create button, and your proposal will be created. On the proposal page, you will see a list of the different sections that make up your proposal. You can easily navigate through them from the Sections menu on the left-hand side. Also, at the top right corner of the proposal page, you will see 3 dots. You can see other items that make up the proposal such as the team and reviews. On the Proposal Teams page, the creator of the proposal can add or remove members to and from the team. Members added to the team will also be able to view the proposal once they log in. And this is the Reviews page. We will see more on this later. Let's now navigate back to the proposal sections by simply clicking on any section from the left-hand sidebar. For each of these sections, the applicant will be able to edit each section by clicking on the pencil icon next to the title of the section. Each section contains a word limit. When the word limit is exceeded, an error message is displayed and the section content will not be able to be saved. The applicant must ensure that the number of words added in each section is in line with the required word limit. Then they can save. The applicant has to edit each part of the sections of the proposal before they can finally submit. At the foot of the proposal, you will see the Attachments section. Here the applicant can add file attachments to the proposal. To add a file attachment, click on the Add Attachment button, and add the file by simply dragging and dropping the file into the modal area. When uploaded, the file can be viewed or downloaded by clicking on it. If not wanted, it can be deleted. At this state, the proposal is in the editing stage. This is the stage where an applicant is able to edit and make adjustments to their proposal before they can submit. When done editing the proposal and you're satisfied with it, you can click on the Submit button at the top right-hand side of the proposal page to submit the proposal. This component first ensures that all sections meet the required word count before the proposal can be submitted for review. If any of the sections does not meet the required word count, the proposal will not be allowed to proceed to the next stage. Click on the Submit button to submit the proposal. When the proposal is submitted by the applicant, it needs to be reviewed. To initiate this process, the grants officer must assign reviewers to the proposal. Let's now log in as the grants officer. To do this, first we log out as the applicant, then enter the login credentials of the grants officer, and click the Login button to log in. When logged in, navigate to the All Proposals page from the User menu. Here you will be able to view all proposals listed on the system in their different states. The proposals may be in either editing, submitted, scoring, or reviewed modes. In this case, we shall look for any proposals in the submitted state. Then navigate into it by clicking on it. At this point, you are able to view the entire edited proposal and read through it. You can also view all the file attachments added by the applicant. At the top right corner of the page, you'll see a button with 3 dots. When you tap on it and select Reviews, as a grants officer, you will be able to add reviewers to the proposal. To add a reviewer, you can do it in 2 ways. First, by selecting an existing reviewer from the list provided. And secondly, when the person on interest is not registered on the platform yet, then you can simply enter their email address on the provided input field. Then click Add. In both cases, an email will be sent to the person's specified mailbox to invite them to review the assigned proposal. In case you need to change your mind on a reviewer, there is an option to remove the reviewer. This will cancel the reviewer from reviewing the proposal and any actions that they may have already initiated in the review process. At this point, you have assigned reviewers to the proposal, and you can continue to assign as many as required. The reviewer or reviewers assigned to the proposal shall receive an invitation email informing them to review the proposal. A link will be attached to the email message that will lead them to the particular proposal assigned to them for review. When they click this link, they will be redirected to the system. Before they can access the proposal to start the review process, they need to log in first. If they use the link correctly, then they will be redirected to the proposal after login. Before starting to make any reviews on the assigned proposal, the reviewer is required to accept the invitation to review. To do this, they can simply click the Accept button. Only then, they can start the review. Reviews are done by assigning a score to each of the sections of the proposal. An optional comment can also be added to complement the score on each section. Perhaps something to justify the score assigned. When the reviewer is done adding a score to at least each of the sections, then they can submit their reviews. To do this, they have to click on the Submit Review button located on the top right-hand corner of the page. The Submit Review pop-up modal contains a summary of the scores and comments assigned to each of the sections. Then section highlighted in green are those that have been assigned high scores, while those in red are those assigned low scores. When you scroll down to the bottom of the modal, you can add the strengths and weaknesses of the proposal. However, they are optional. Now the reviewer can submit their review by clicking on the Submit Review button. At this point, the proposal has been fully reviewed. When we navigate to the Proposal Reviews page, we are able to see a full summary of all reviews submitted by the assigned reviewers. Using these scores, the grants officer is then able to make the decision on which proposal to select. Thank you for watching.